There are thousands of ebooks and digital audiobooks that you can check out with your library card from the Weymouth Public Libraries. Today we're going to show you how to access ebooks with the Libby app from Overdrive. This app was previously called the Overdrive app, so you might hear Libby and Overdrive being used interchangeably, but it's basically Libby now. The Libby app is available for iPhone and Android, so you can download it in the App Store on your iPhone. This is what you'll be looking for. Or on an Android phone, you'll look for it on Google Play. If you don't have a smartphone, don't worry, there are other ways to read our ebooks. You can just contact us and we can help you figure out what will work best for you. What you'll need to get started with the Libby app. You'll need your smartphone. You'll need your login credentials for the App Store if you have an iPhone, or Google Play if you have an Android. It's quite likely that this is already set up on your phone so that you can just download the app. You'll need your phone to be connected to a Wi-Fi network or a good data plan. And you'll need your Weymouth library card and PIN. Now, if you don't know your PIN, the default is OCLN. That stands for Old Colony Library Network, which is the regional library network that the Weymouth Public Libraries belong to. Again, that is O as in Oscar, C as in Charlie, L as in Lima, N as in November. So try that one first. If that still doesn't work, here's a video from our friends at the Turner Free Library in Randolph, Massachusetts, that shows you how to reset your PIN. You'll just need to go to our catalog page, the Weymouth catalog page. If you're still having trouble, get in touch with us and we'll help you. The Libby app is free, of course. If you're having any trouble downloading it, feel free to get in touch with us and we'll help you. Now we're going to show you how to get set up so that you can borrow from the Weymouth Public Library's collection of ebooks on Libby. Once you've downloaded the app, tap on the app icon to open it. When you open the app for the first time, you'll see this screen. The first question here is, do you have a library card? And we're going to click yes. Now we need to tell the app what our library is. And you can use Guess My Library. That usually gets it right, but I'll show you how to search for Weymouth Public Libraries. So we're going to choose, I'll search for library. Now I'm going to type in Weymouth. And here we have Weymouth Public Libraries, Tufts Library. So this is the one we want. So now you want to click on this. Now we need to add your library card information. So click or tap on Enter Library Account Details. And now you need to enter your library card number. And this is the 14-digit number that is on the back of your library card. Enter it without the spaces. And it's a long number, but you won't have to enter it again after this. So you've got the number typed in, and then you want to click Next, and you enter the PIN. And now we have your library card added to the Libby app. We can click Next, and we can see what ebooks we can check out. The layout of what you see here may look a little bit different on your device depending on the size of the screen, but it should all look pretty much just like this. So now we're going to check out our first book on the Libby app. And up in the left corner, there's a magnifying glass icon, and right next to it, it says Search for a Book. So I'm going to tap there, and now Search for a Book turns gray, and we can type in what we're looking for. You can search by author or title. I'm going to search for Ellen Hildebrand. So I'm going to start typing that in, and immediately we get author suggestions, and I see Ellen Hildebrand here, so I'm going to click on that. And now we can see which of her books are available. And Winter in Paradise is available right now, so I'm going to click Borrow. And now we can open the book, like here. And we're going to read in the Libby app. So we click Libby. It may take a little moment to load here, but now we have the book available to read. You can just click through here, and you'll notice that the controls have disappeared here. So what we want to do to get back to the controls is just click in the center. And now we can go back, and this will take you back to your reading shelf. So now you can see at the bottom here is the cover of the book that you opened most recently. If you wanted to go back to the library and look for more books, you can click here to go back to the library. And now we're back on the main page. If you wanted to go back to reading, you can click here if the last book you were reading is what you want to continue reading. If you want to see everything that you've got checked out, you can just click here on Shelf. And now you can see what you have checked out, and you can click Open in Libby.